Hello everyone, welcome to the Watch Poplars. Today I'm going to be trying vinegar in my tundra planting. A lot of things have happened. So last night I was picking at some zit behind my ear and I had to fold it over like that. And then next thing I know, I could not hear out of that ear, and I still can't. So I probably should take a warm shower to get anything that's in here out. So yeah, so that's strange. I could still hear. It's just it's clogged. Yeah. Also, Ventuski on my computer was acting a bit strange. So picture this, but without all of these webcams and without any towns. And I don't even think there were borders also. It was so strange. Well, no, there were borders, but there were no towns and webcams. So I couldn't see what I was doing when I was doing this. You'll see I record the webcams onto here. And oh, I need to oh, I thought I had highlighted everything orange here, but yeah, so that's how far autumn has gone here. Still in Alaska and northern Canada. Yeah, but I had a problem, so all the neon side cameras just stopped working. Neon Sight is a kind of a research program. They have webcams set up and they're really nice. Like, they set it up by creeks and they do like stream gauges and kind of like plant studies, so like phenology and kind of the weather stuff. But all the webcams all over the world from that, including others that are like a Neon Sight, they all just stopped working. So was a bummer. And for like 2 days, I had to record the webcams down on that Google Doc using my phone. And okay, I'm still recording. Using my phone, and it just took an hour instead of like a few minutes. So anyway, let's get started. So I am planning on doing some vinegar on my tundra planting, and I'm gonna do an experiment with straight up vinegar. So I'm gonna start right now. I should do this on the ground probably, because this table is like so fragile and it's almost ready to fall over. So yes, here I go. This is gonna be very bad for the plants, which is good. I'm gonna get it on the leaves because I want to burn the leaves. And for some reason, if this does not work, I'm going to try wine. The autumn show is coming up for the East Bay Bonsai Society on October 6th, I think. Maybe it was the 5th. But this planting won't be ready I'm gonna paint it on the leaves. I wonder what makes this vinegar so acidic. It said balsamic vinegar, that's what I am using. Let's see if I can get it on all of the foliage. If not, the roots will not like it. And yeah, So we'll see if vinegar starts pouring out of the drainage holes, so that'll be interesting. I'm gonna put this back on the bench. Oh, there's Midnight. So I'll go right here. It's very nice. It's so delicious. So we will see what happens with the Canadian Tundra Kusumono. I don't see any vinegar dripping yet, but it should start happening soon. So yeah, this is a bizarre experiment. I also potted up this. I don't know what it is. It might be related to broccoli or something. But yeah, my mom didn't want it in that garden bed right there. And so I potted it up here. And yeah, everything's growing nicely. I don't have many plans for the rest of these until like winter. So yeah, I also want to mention, I haven't mentioned before, how's the greenhouse feeling? Okay, it's fine. Well, there's the trees from Florida, the sweet acacia. There's the mimosa, and here's this weird tree. I don't know what the name of it is. It's really nice. I love this leaf shape. This is poisonous plant. I don't know if it is poisonous, but the sap wasn't white, so maybe it's slightly different. Here's some poison oak here. It's not doing very well. A lot of you may be happy about that, but at least I am not. I have some Queensland bottle trees growing here after I collected a bunch of exotic seedlings from the Ruth Bancroft Garden in Walnut Creek. Also a lot of other legume plants and pea family plants, acacias, mimosas, weird plants, and then the Queensland bottle trees. I can tell they're Queensland bottle trees because they're the fattest seedlings there. 100% germination rate. I soaked them in water for a few days before I planted them, so I guess that's why they're doing so well. Here's a catnip. It's getting its fall colors. I guess it's only an early summer bloomer. So yeah, so it like dies early. I think it's an annual or perennial, I'm not sure. Even the little sprouts at the base are turning yellow. So yeah, I should close this greenhouse to keep it nice and humid. Well, the redwood tree. There's a redwood tree in the growing tray as well, so yeah. It's really weird having this one ear kind of half deaf. So yeah. Oh, my grapevines are growing a little more. This one's definitely recovered. This one is now starting to grow at the very tip. The avocado is doing well. Nothing much with the poplar, obviously. I don't need to show any more updates on that, but yeah, we're getting some fall colors here. Oh, just old leaves. Really nice. Yeah, no buds on the fronds here. And yeah, getting also fall colors here. Mainly on just old leaves. It's not actually fall colors, but it's the same kind of color that the plants get when they're in their fall colors. My two buckeyes, I'm deciding not to water them because they just don't grow. They don't grow really quickly in late summer or summer at all, and they don't grow in autumn. They only grow in like spring. And I think they need a dry period So I just keep them as dry as I can without having the soil just like bone dry. So yeah, I'm gonna pick that up. And there's not much. Oh, and then these pink flowers over here, I think, yeah, so I figured out what they are. It's annual mallow. Annual mallow. So there's a tree mallow, same kind of flowers, but it grows into a bush. And after they flower, they kind of lose their leaves. And just, eventually they're just leafless, and then they just form the seed pods at the top. And I don't know what their fall colors would be like without any leaves, but I mean, they turn kind of yellow. There's another annual here. There's my cat. There's the ice plant. And yeah, that is it. Here's all for today. This is the Watch Poplars, and I will see you in the next video.